Ram Ratna Wires Ltd, a wires and tubes manufacturer. Company is the second largest manufacturer of winding wires in South Asia and manufactures enameled copper wire, enameled copper strips, copper tubes, submersible winding wires, and more. Company markets and sells these products under its well-known brand RAMRAT. About 80% of the revenue is generated from copper wires, 11% from copper tubes, and 9% from others. These products are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. The company was incorporated in 1992 and got public in 1997. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 850 employees. Company has 3 manufacturing plants, located in Silvassa and Dadra Nagar Haveli, with a production capacity of 45,222 metric tons per annum, with 84% capacity utilization. Company is setting up a new plant for copper tube manufacturing in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, with a production capacity of 24,000 metric tons per annum and capex of Rs 200 crores. The market cap of the company is 2,859 crore rupees and currently trading at 650 rupees per share. The company has a 25% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 49% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company holds 60% stakes in Global Copper Private Limited, which is engaged in copper tube manufacturing, and holds 74% stakes in A Power Electricals Private Limited, which manufactures motors, pumps, fans, and more. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. As of now, there are no domestic investments. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 2 rupees and 50 paise per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company serves many OEM clients, with revenue concentration of 91% from domestic and 9% from exports. Some clients of the company are Mitsubishi, Daikin, Hitachi, Panasonic, Voltas, Whirlpool, Godrej, Mahanagar Gas, Havells, and more. The company's profitability is exposed to sharp fluctuations in raw material prices, which form around 95% of the total cost of sales for the company. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.